Welcome to aminacademy.com. In fluid mechanics, let us do some solving problem in manometers. Example, a U-tube manometer is used to measure the pressure of water in pipeline which is in excess of atmospheric pressure. The right limb of manometer contains mercury and is open to atmosphere. The contact between water and mercury is in the left limb. Determine the pressure of water in main line. If the difference in level of mercury in the limbs of U-tube is 12 centimeter and the free surface of mercury is in level with the center of the pipeline. If the pressure of water in pipeline is reduced to 9810 Newton per meter square, calculate the new difference in the mercury level. Sketch the arrangements of both cases. Here, look at this sketch here. Here in left side, water pipe pipeline is A and it is under pressure, so it pushes the liquid, that is mercury, this much. So right side is open to atmosphere, therefore here pressure in left limb equal pressure in right limb. Pressure in left limb, suppose pressure in pipeline is, let it be A plus rho GH. Rho is 1000 for water, rho G is 9.81, H is 0.12 meter, and right side is open to atmosphere, so 0 plus from line BC to this much is OGH. Rho is 13.6 for mercury into 1000. G is 9.81 and H is 0.12. Now we'll calculate both sides. Here first 9810 because into 1000 into 0.12 equal PA plus 11772.2 equal, right side is 13.6 into 9.81 into 0.12 equal 16,009.92. Therefore, PA, pressure in pipeline A, is 16,009.92 minus 1177.2 equal 16,009.92 minus 1177.2 equal 14832.72 Newton per meter square. Now here the second case, if the pressure of the water in pipeline is reduced to 9810 Newton per meter square, calculate the new difference in the level of mercury. Sketch the arrangements. Here this is a case 2. Now pressure in pipeline PA is reduced to 9810 Newton per meter square. Here the pressure is reduced. That is why the mercury level increase from B dash to C dash to X centimeter up, and due to that from this level come down. Therefore, the new arrangement is here. We can do with that new arrangements. Look here. The pressure in left limb equal pressure in right limb. Pressure in left limb is equal (9810) plus 9810, then plus 1000. Rho is 1000 for water, rho into 9.81 into 12 minus x over 100 equal right limb is 0, open to atmosphere is 0 plus 13.6 mercury rho 1000, G is 9.81 into H is 12 minus 2x over 100. Here, first we will write one more time, 9810 plus this cut zeros, here cut the zeros. Now we can write 10 into 9.81, 12 minus x by 1. This side is equal 13.6 into 10 into 9.81, 12 minus 2x. Here divide throughout by 9.81. We get here 9810 divided by 9.81 is 1000 plus 9.81 cut here 10 into 12 minus x. This side is 13 136 because into 10, 9.8 will cut, then 12 minus 2x. Here, which is further 1000 plus 120 minus 10x. Here 136 into 12, 136 into 12 equal 1632. 1632 minus 272x, because 136 into 2 is 276, 72x. Now collecting x one side, number other side, that is 272x minus 10x equal 1632 minus 1000 minus 120. Here 262x equal 1632 minus 101, 1632 minus 1120, 1632 minus 1532 Therefore, 262 equal 532. Therefore, x equal 532 over 262. 262 262 equal 2.03. So therefore, x is 2.03. Now, therefore, we can write therefore new difference of mercury equal 12 minus 2 into 2.03, which is equal 12 minus 4.06. 12 minus 4.06 equal 7.97 centimeter. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.